Alright guys, this is a Instant Pot recipe. So today I have, so you're gonna need your steam rack. It comes with your Instant Pot comes with this steam rack, and I've never used it, but this is the first time I'm gonna use it. This is salmon, and then some dill. I got some potatoes, and then underneath there is water, about 1 cup of water, and then some avocado oil on the bottom there. So these are seasoned with a little bit of garlic, salt, and pepper. So I'll be right back. So what you want to do is hit this steam button right there and put the lid on. Alright, so here is the salmon all done here. So smells pretty good. It turned out okay, and let's do a quick taste test here. Alright, so hopefully you guys, it's not too steamy there, but you can see there the potatoes are all done. The salmon's pretty much well done here. Let's do a quick, there's a bit right there. It's nice, it's light, it's fluffy. Definitely check it out guys. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Remember to subscribe to the channel.